everyone, welcome back to new and interesting topic. I, Hifza Shaima, would like to explain interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is one of the most easiest and interesting topic that is unique to fundamentals of partnership. So interest on drawing क्या होता है? Interest on drawing is nothing but as a partner you have taken the firm's money. So what's your responsibility now to give back the firm's money with interest? आपको पे बैक करना है. जैसे कि फर्म का पैसा आपने लिया, जब आपने पर्सनल यूज के लिए यूज किया तो आपको क्या करना है, विथ इंटरेस्ट यू हैव टू पे बैक फॉर द फर्म. सो इन इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग में क्या होता है, जैसे कि देयर विल बी लाइक टू मेथड्स, वन इज अ प्रोडक्ट मेथड एंड वन मोर इज एवरेज मेथड. So before discussing about product method and average method, I want to tell you something which is like awfully important. Product method अगर ना mention हो, जैसे कि exam में like in most of the question paper, like frequently they have asked if they have not mentioned any like they have not mentioned any date. अगर date ना mention करके नहीं है तो आपको क्या करना है, जैसे कि if suppose if they have given A withdrew at rupees like just 10,000 at 10%, just they have given 10,000 at 10%, then directly you have to take 10,000 into 10 divided by 100. मान लो suppose if they have given like A has withdrew like 30,000 at 10%, then you have to take just 30,000 into 10 divided by 100. Suppose मान लो if they have given per annum, अगर per annum देकर है, if they have mentioned per annum, so please note this is a very important point which I am telling for you all. So अगर जैसे कि per annum देकर है, then you have to take 30,000 into 10 divided by 100 into 6 divided by 12. So here it will be like 30,000 into 10 divided by 100, that is 3,000, and here it will be like 30,000 into 10 divided by 100 into 6 divided by 12 if they have given per annum. So per annum में कितना होगा, 30,500. So this is like direct if they have not mentioned like product method भी ना हो और average method भी ना होकर, जैसे कि if they have given directly you have to calculate if they have given per annum then for 6 months, if they have not given per annum then it will be for like for whole year. You have to calculate just 30,000 into 10 divided by 100. So now we'll discuss product method and average method. So product method क्या होता है? Product method is one where there will be like same amount or different amount on irregular intervals. जैसे कि रेगुलरली हम विड्रॉ नहीं करते, irregular intervals. And average method is one where there will be like same amount at regular intervals. Regularly अगर partner withdraw करे, so like in product method as I said it is like same amount will withdraw, partner will withdraw, और like different amount. Same amount क्या होता है, जैसे कि partner is withdrawing like 2,000 continuously if partner withdraw, so वो क्या होता है, जैसे कि continuously मतलब 2,000 withdraw करेगा, लेकिन अगर जैसे कि continuously it will be in average method. Here like if suppose if partner is withdrawing like 2,000 but not every month. If partner is withdrawing, suppose उसने क्या किया, जैसे कि जनवरी में किया, फिर उसने 2 months छोड़कर जैसे कि उसके बाद मार्च में किया, उसके बाद जैसे कि आप फिर थोड़े मंथ्स छोड़कर जैसे कि उसने अक्टूबर में किया, फिर दिसंबर में किया. So here suppose if the partner is not withdrawing like continuously, then it is like product method where there will be like different time interval. So but amount it will be, sometimes it might be same, sometimes it might be different. कभी कभी क्या होता है, पार्टनर विड्रॉ 2,000 भी कंटिन्यूसली करेगा या 3,000 करेगा, बट और कभी कभी क्या होता है, जैसे कि अगर 3,000 का किया या फिर उसके बाद 6,000 करेगा, फिर उसके बाद 9,000 करेगा, but on different months. So if he is not withdrawing continuously then it is a product method. And average method में क्या होता है, in average method suppose a partner is withdrawing like continuously, suppose मान लो मैं क्या करूँगी like बिगनिंग ऑफ एवरी मंथ विड्रॉ करूँगी, कभी कभी क्या करूँगी एंड ऑफ एवरी मंथ आई विल विड्रॉ, कभी कभी लाइक बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईच क्वार्टर और एंड ऑफ ईच क्वार्टर, देन इट इज़ एवरेज मेथड. एवरेज मेथड में क्या होता है, इफ अ पार्टनर विड्रॉ लाइक सेम अमाउंट कंटिन्यूसली, वो क्या होता है, जैसे कि बिगिनिंग ऑफ एवरी मंथ आई विल विड्रॉ लाइक 5,000 और एंड ऑफ एवरी मंथ आई विल विड्रॉ 3,000. सो दैट इज अ लाइक एवरेज मेथड. सो प्रोडक्ट मेथड में वैसा नहीं होता, कभी कभी सेम विड्रॉ करते हैं, कभी कभी डिफरेंट अमाउंट करते हैं. बट इट विल बी ऑन डिफरेंट टाइम इंटरवल. सो अगर डिफरेंट इंटरवल्स पे करें, इरेगुलर इंटरवल पे, तो वो होता है प्रोडक्ट मेथड. सो आई हैव टेकन, फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैव टेकन अ प्रॉब्लम हियर. सो कैलेंडर ईयर क्या होता है? कैलेंडर ईयर इज नथिंग बट फ्रॉम 1st January टिल December 31st, वो होता है हमारा कैलेंडर ईयर. सो लाइक दैट फिनेंशियल ईयर होता है. फिनेंशियल ईयर इज व्हाट? लाइक फ्रॉम April 1st टिल March 31st. सो April 1st से लेकर March 31st. So like on partner here, partner has withdrawn on 1st June. So 1st June को किया partner ने withdrawn. Then from 1st June till March 31st, how many months? So March 31st is the ending. इसने 1st June को किया. Then I'll include this month because it is first. It is the starting of the month. So starting of the month हो तो first को ये June को include करना. अगर 31st को है तो ये this exclude this month because it is end of the month, so you have to exclude. अगर first देकर हो तो आपको ये month include करना है. From 1st June till March 31st, that is June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, it will be March. Then it will be how many months? यहाँ पे आपको period लेना है. So period is how much? Like months. So how many months? 10 months. Now next, the partner has withdrawn on 31st August. Then I'll exclude this month because 31st is what? Like end of the month. End of the month को withdraw किया partner ने. Then I'll exclude this month. So मैं कहाँ से लूँगी? जैसे कि September से लूँगी. So from September till March 31st, then it will be how many months? Like 7 months. Again he is withdrawing on 31st October. So from 31st October till March 31st, it will be how many months? Like 5 months. फिर उसने पार्टनर ने कब विड्रॉ किया? 1st Feb को किया. So from 1st Feb till March 31st, how many months it will be? Like 2 months. So ये होता है जैसे कि months, कितने months को विड्रॉ किया. Now next, product. So product is what? आपको क्या करना है? Amount into period. So amount is how much? Like partner ने 20,000 विड्रॉ किया. So 10 months. So it will be like 2 lakh. Again partner has withdrawn for 7 months. Then it will be how many? Like 70,000. Again partner ने कब किया? 80,000 into 5, that is 90,000. Again partner ने कब withdraw किया? That is 12,000 into 2, 24,000. So now you have to apply the formula, that is amount of drawing into rate upon 100 into 1/12. 1/12 क्यों है? अगर 1/12, अगर suppose you know like in a year there will be like 12 months. So इसलिए क्या होता है? 1/12 लेना है आपको product method में. So amount of drawing is how much? Your total is 3,84,000. So amount of drawing is 3,84,000. And rate, suppose I have taken here 10%. Then it will be 10 divided by 100 into 1 divided by 12. Amount of drawing into rate into 1 divided by 12. Then it will be 3,200. I think it's clear. अगर suppose same amount या different amount but on irregular intervals, then it is a product method. If the partner is withdrawing like same amount, then it is like same amount